Welcome back to the Designeries. I am Ceylan, designer and architect based in Dubai. And today I am going to tell you something brutally honest. Something I see almost every single day in bathrooms. And it needs to be stopped in 2026. If you are planning to renovate, or if you are about to buy a new apartment, or if you are thinking of refreshing your bathrooms next year, please watch this before you spend bunch of money. Because the mistakes I'm going to show you, it will destroy your value. And they make your bathroom smaller, cheaper, older, and the worst of all, they kill the entire functionality of the space. And 2026 is going to be a very different year for the bathrooms. Trends have been shifted, materials have advanced, buyers have become more sophisticated. And what worked in 2015, 18 or 20s is completely outdated. So sit back, relax and let's dive into what you must stop using in bathrooms in 2026 and what to replace it with to make your home look luxurious, modern and effortlessly timeless. Number 1. Stop using glossy cheap ceramic tiles. You know the ones already, shiny, slippery, the typical white glossy tile with a weird light reflection that makes everything look like a hospital corridor. These tiles have no depth, no richness, no texture. And worst of all, they show every fingerprint, every water drop on the surface. In 2026, this glossy ceramic is officially dead. It flattens the bathrooms and it cheapens the space. It visually aids your entire home. So, as alternative, replace it with the matte porcelain. Go for 60 to 120 or 80 to 80. Large format tiles. Think natural, warm, stone-like finishes. These are deliver depth. These absorb light beautifully. They feel expensive and they give you that quite luxury look that's dominating in 2026 interiors. Number 2. Stop using tiny mosaic borders from 2010. Ah yes, the infamous mosaic border, the little line that builders love to put around the bathroom like a necklace. They used it everywhere. Cream tiles, bronze mosaics, strange patterns. These borders scream as old building. They visually cut the bathroom in half. They break the flow of the design. And in 2026, design language is all about continuity. When I check with all my customers, they want smooth surfaces, uninterrupted walls, and clean transitions. Mosaic borders fight against that. They create noise in the design. Instead, switch to large format slabs or continuous tiling. If you want a texture, use ribbed tiles, fluted tiles, or tone on tone texture. These feels intentional, they feel contemporary, and they elevate the space instantly. Number 3. Stop using bulky built-in basin with fake marble tops. Let's be honest, those thick plastic-looking marble effect countertops with the basin glued into the middle. It's over. It's finished. It's retired. Not coming back. So please stop using it. The yellow over time. The corners chip. The material never looks real. It screams contractor spatial. In 2026, you replace this with fluting vanities, thin countertop, real quartz or real porcelain, integrated basin or on counter basin with a clean geometry. This gives you light, modern, airy bathrooms. It stretches the space. It increases resale value. And it transforms the bathroom from builder grade to boutique hotel. Number 4. Stop using mixing three or more metal colors. Chrome tap, matte black shower, gold handles, civil towel rack in the same bathroom. Why are we doing this? It creates chaos. It makes the bathroom look like 5 different people designed it. So pick one metal tone and commit it. In 2026 is all about consistency. Brush nickel, brush gold, or matte black. And if you are bold, go with champagne gold. It looks luxurious. But mixing, no, it cheapens everything. Number 5. Stop using builder grade mirrors with sharp edges. Those basic rectangle mirrors that contractors throw onto the wall with no frame. no lighting, and no personality. We need to get rid of this immediately. Bathrooms in 2026 demand integrated lighting, soft edges, curved silhouettes, LED perimeter glow, and anti-fog technology. You want your bathroom to feel like a spa, not a staff restroom. So, as an alternative, replace with a round LED mirror, or a full-width backlit mirror, or a tall vertical twin mirror setup for double vanities. Lighting around the mirror transforms the entire mood of the bathroom instantly. Number 6. Stop using toilet sprays with exposed hoses. Nothing dates a bathroom faster than the plastic, cheap looking bided spray hanging down the wall with exposed screws and metal shams. In 2026, the standard is concealed bidets. Sleek, built-in, and minimal. They make the bathroom look extremely refined and they are far more hygienic. Pair with a wall-mounted toilet for a fully modernized space. These upgrades alone increase the perceived value of your home dramatically. Number 7. Stop using old school shower curtains. A shower curtains instantly makes the bathroom feel dated. It blocks all the light, it collects mold, and visually it kills everything. In 2026 bathrooms require glass, clear tempered glass. Use frameless glass if possible. It opens the space and it allows natural and artificial light to flow in. And also it makes the bathroom feel like a premium hotel. If privacy is needed, use frosted sections or sandblasted strips, not a curtain. Number 8. Stop using tiny vanity lights with cold white LEDs. Nothing makes you look worse in the mirror than that horrible cold white lighting. It washes out the skin. It makes the bathroom feel sterile. And worst of all, it exposes every imperfection. Switch to warm 3000 Kelvin LED or even 2700 Kelvin if you want a hotel feel. Layer your lighting, mirror glow, ceiling spotlights, niche lighting in the shower. And avoid tiny lights. Go for larger diffuse sources. Lighting shapes the entire bathroom's atmosphere. Number 9. Stop using boulder white paint in wet zones. Some developers paint areas that shouldn't be painted. They use cheap white paint that absorbs moisture, stains easily, and peels over time. In 2026, wet zones require micro cement, porcelain, or tile from floor to ceiling. No more random painted sections behind toilets, around windows, or beside showers. Finish it properly. It increases hygiene and longevity massively. Number 10. Stop using random shelves, plastic storage, and clutter. Plastic organizers, suction cup shelves, random racks. These kills the aesthetic of any bathroom. In 2026, bathrooms must breathe with clean lines, built-in recessed niches, minimal countertop items, and of course, no plastic storage. So, as an alternative, you can easily upgrade to recessed shower niches, thin metal shelves matching your faucet finish, hidden drawers in the vanity. And bear in mind, clutter destroys luxury, minimalism builds it. So in this part, I would like to explain about transition to solution sections. So now you know already what to stop using. Let's talk about what to start using. The 2026 bathrooms is all about clean vertical lines, warm natural tones, integrated lighting, floating elements, and thoughtful storage. It's about mixing practicality with aesthetics, durability with elegance. So let's walk through the essential elements that make your bathroom look like 2026 masterpiece. The 2026 bathroom blueprint. Imagine walking into your bathroom. The first thing you see is a floating vanity with a thin quartz slab. Over it, a full-width LED mirror that glows softly. To your left, floor-to-ceiling matte porcelain in a warm stone tone. The shower area is enclosed with a frameless glass. Inside the shower, a recessed niche with warm LED light. Your metal tone is consistent. Your toilet is wall hang, or at least sleek. Your faucets are clean, modern, and minimal. You have soft 3000 Kelvin lighting setup that creates a spa-like feel. Your clutter is hidden. Your texture are subtle but rich. A ribbed tile, a stone finish, a soft plaster wall. And suddenly, your bathroom doesn't feel like a bathroom. It feels like an experience. Let's say a miniature hotel. That's the 2026 bathroom trends. So, if you are renovating in 2026, please don't waste your money for the old materials and outdated design language. Every decision you make impacts the value of your home. And trust me, these things I told you today are exactly what buyers and tenants look instantly. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. It helps the channel grow massively and motivates me to bring more of this real, honest, no filter design content in the renovation world. So, see you in the next video.